Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to give access on Google Drive, share files and folders. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Drive, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to give someone access to a file or folder in Google Drive, you need to follow these simple steps. Because when working on a team project or your client or a new company, sharing files or folders allows all members to collaborate, edit, download the document, or even comment real time. You can gather feedback or input from, all of these by giving them access to a specific documents or folders, because you can share reports, presentations, or other important documents with a wide audience. Now, once you are on the drive, you can go to the home or go to the drive option, my drive, and then select the folder or the file that you want to share with. Now, for example, this one right here. Once you are inside here, I need you to click on the three dots icon, and there's going to be an option that says share. All right. I want you to click on it. Now, all you're gonna do is add people, groups, and calendar events. Okay, that's how you can give access to your folder. You see, you can simply invite them by your name, by their email address, or if you have already added them in the contact, just search for their username here. It's a straightforward process, really. For example, I'm gonna add in some names here. Now, you see, there's an option that says for the general access. If you don't want to put in the names one by one or the email address, all you're gonna do is click on the drop-down menu. You see, you have restricted, which means only those who have invitation link can access the document or the share folder. But if you don't want that hassle and you want to save time, just click on anyone with the link. Now, if that happens, anyone on the internet with the link can view, because you're going to copy the link right here and you're going to send that via email to social media platforms so that anyone with the link can access that. But of course, you also have, you can set permissions on the, on what they can do with the link. They can only view the file. They also have an option to comment only, or they can be an editor. All right, you can organize, add and edit, and also download the file. So it's up to you on your comfort level. For example, I'm gonna hit viewer only. Once you've done that, click on done. All right, but the idea is you also have an option to the cog icon settings here at the upper right corner, wherein you can set the settings for the how to give access to Google Drive's folder. Editors can change permissions and share. You also have that option with you. This one, the editors can change permissions and share. And once you're happy with that, copy the link, close done, and share it to your colleagues, your clients, and your boss. And again, by giving access to Google Drive, you can enhance the collaboration, streamline workflows, and ensure that everyone involved has the necessary resources and information to contribute effectively. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.